Welcome to Soft Reviewed. If you want to actually use Google's image generation for free, now you can do that in AI Studio. All you need is to come to this website aistudio.google.com. Then what you need to do is click here, create a prompt, then scroll down and select this preview model. This image generation as of now works only with this Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental model. Just click on that and you will see two options to select, only text and images and text as well. So if you select images and text, now you are ready to generate images. They already have some examples that we can check out. For example, if I just click here, first option is edit an image of, as you can see, already an image of croissants is generated, and now we can add just a prompt, add some chocolate drizzles to that croissants, and then as you can see that just added that chocolate drizzle to that croissant. So that's one example. See, it's creating like images for each scene as per in the prompt. As you can see, generate a story about a white baby goat on an adventure in a farm in a 3D cartoon animation style. For each scene, generate an image. You can see, right? All you have to do right now is go to some website, like for example, if I go to Majai, this is how I animate my images. I'll go here, then I'll just go click on image, then I click on new image, then I can select from all these options. VO2 is also available because it will take 42 credits. The best model with the best output for me is a runway. So I'll be using just runway here. Then what I can do is, for example, I can just download this and I can just upload it here. Click on add, upload, to moving around and looking straight at the camera. Can just click on generate. As you can see, you can create storybooks like this or like videos, and just creating different videos, and in using 11 labs for audio narration, you can generate awesome looking videos just like this by giving like a simple prompt. So it's that easy now to create like AI videos and AI image storybooks, etc. So you can check that out as well. I'm just giving you like some ideas to actually use this. Then the third option is like generate a custom birthday card. So you can even do that as well. The text adherence is really great. So if you look at this, generate a design of a birthday card with a beautiful floral decorations. The text should be large and say happy birthday. Let me just open this and see. Wishing a day filled with joy, laughter, and all your favorite things. May this. So that text is really good. So it's printing everything correctly. Wonderful memories. Cheers to you. Wonderful memories. Cheers to you. Yeah. The test adherence is also good. And the thing is that it can natively edit images. Let's test this out. Let us test if we can upload an image and edit that. Let us see if we can edit this image. I have a Mr. Bean image on my system and I'm just uploading it. Make him wear a t-shirt. Look at that, guys. The quality is really amazing. So now, without even any skills, anybody can edit images by just giving prompt in natural language. A Lamborghini in front of Taj Mahal. Change the Lamborghini color to red. Lighting dark with the beautiful lights, and a close up of the car and Taj Mahal in the back, shining in beautiful lights. Generate the image in 16:9 aspect ratio. What a time to be alive, right? Now AI can even edit images, change aspect ratios, and do a lot more. It's just a beginning. I hope this was informative. test it out and let me know if you discovered anything new, and share it with the community as well. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please don't forget to share and subscribe for more future videos. Again, thank you for watching. Have a great day.
Got a world to explore and news to find. Hit that link, don't be left behind. A news and reviews straight to your feed. It's the upgrade your life will need.